Hello, my name is Rob Garner. I'm a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to talk about binding events in Tkinter. So we already did a demo where we had a button, and this is actually this right here where we're assigning a function to a command. That's binding an event. So whenever we click here, this function is executed whenever we click this button. There are other ways of doing this. And let's see, we'll take this as a starting point. We can also bring in something called event. And what I'm going to do is say print event.x and event.y. And then what we'll do is here, we're not going to use a button here. We're just going to say top. We're going to actually bind the window itself. So we can say and with the bind method, we specify what event we want. And we're going to handle button 1. And we're going to say, hey, and button 1 is actually the left mouse button. Button 2 would be the right, presumably, or the middle mouse button, and 3 would be the right. So we're going to handle the left mouse button click, and we're going to run this callback. And we now have a parameter that we're passing in, and the parameter has an x and y value. Let's see what this does. And you can see here we're actually reporting where in the window we're clicking on. Now you have to click in the window, but that can be kind of useful. You could actually look at this and decide to put things at those locations, maybe with the place attribute. And so that's another way that we can execute functions. We can actually, with some of them, we can bring in an event and bring in different values.